found love in you, and no other love will do.
So pretty today. You guys know why? Because of the title. So I made a little extra effort to look extra glam. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And yes, I can see that my hair is gonna wash this weekend, won't pass, so don't mention it, girl. Okay, I see that. Hi face, how are you guys doing? Today is the day. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and the Lord has promised that he would keep us together in love, and that's what he did. 5 years has passed, and we're grateful, we're thankful, we're humbled, and look who took the day off from work to be with
guys,
us.
I have to take a day off.
5 years. It felt like 5 months or 5 weeks, honestly, and I'm not exaggerating. I felt like I just got married to this man. Through it all, we stick it out, right, honey? 5 years couldn't feel better than this. So today's our anniversary. We've been home just taking in the moment all day. It's early afternoon. We're just rolling out of bed. We're just rolling out to head out. We've been just enjoying each other, enjoy every moment. Tyler is at school, so it's a perfect day for a date. So we're heading out to lunch, and that we can be back in time to go get our little nugget, and so we can get on with the rest of our day, because this is the only way we get in a date when Tyler is at school. And it's perfect. We love this little moment, and we've been making extra effort lately to put a lot of date in throughout the day, and I'm loving every single bit of it. Y'all, still date your husband, still date your wife. Even when you're married, it's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it all. Anyway, you guys, I have a little gift for babe. So before we head out, I am gonna give it to him. I have a gift for you.
To choose which one of the two? I have to open two today.
So I got my little nugget a gift. Let's see if he'll appreciate them. It's nothing big.
I always do.
It's nothing big, but
Always.
if you don't like them, you can return them.
I would love it.
I know why I'm laughing. He doesn't. Now he knows why I'm laughing. He just 2 minutes ago said to me, honey, I need a new belt. And look at that. Pull it out. It's special. My phone is yours?
Yeah, but that's okay. That's the walk one.
It's special. Okay, it can wear 2 ways. You have 2 buckles. This one and this one. And you can wear it 2 colors. Brown or black.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. You like it?
Nice.
He just told me 2 minutes ago that, honey, I need a belt. And I was like, okay, it's a good Christmas gift. I know he's been wanting one for a while, so that's why I make sure I get him one. This other one, I have been nagging babe out of my wits. Honey, you need to get this. You need to get this. And he wouldn't get it. So I go and get it for him.
Really?
Yeah.
Chocolate?
Chocolate? I know you love chocolate, but no.
Ah.
Now you have something to put your cards and your money. Yay! So those are my gifts for me. You like them? You sure? The belt surprised you, right?
What I just did ask you earlier.
You 2 minutes ago he said honey and he said you belt. So there you have a Christmas gift idea. I was like, okay, no problem, I'll make sure I get it for you. Ha! I did well?
Yes. Do you know what I have for you?
You get me something?
I get you something.
Okay. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. It's my turn. Let's see what he's coming up with. Oh, he got all the way in the middle room. That's how far you hide it, honey?
It's in my bag, that's why.
Oh, but you normally keep your bag in the room.
Well, I put it here yesterday, so... Let me come back.
Should I come or are you coming? No, come. The light in here is better.
This is a little gift for you too. And I just hope
okay, it's from the jewelry store. Hold this.
I hope you like it.
I've been wanting these, honey. I'm gonna take out these right now. Oh my god. Baby, I told you I want these. Oh my gosh, you guys look. I told you I
No, they
want
don't see
these.
They're good?
They're perfect. I'm gonna ditch these right now. Oh my gosh, honey, thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
And they're my color. You know I love silver. Oh, oh,
You like it?
oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Baby, they're perfect. I'm gonna cry. I'm shaky. Oh my god. Baby, look at me in the mirror. Oh my god.
I'd love to look at you in the mirror.
Oh my god. Baby, they're perfect. They're the perfect size too. I've been dying for these. Oh my gosh. Thanks, baby. Ah! Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm literally gonna cry. You guys look at this.
You like it?
I love it. I go crazy over the simplest things, you guys, so don't mind me. And I've been showing babe these at the jewelry store and telling him that I want them. See, we listen to each other. I like that. Thank you, baby. All right, you guys, it's time to head out of this house. We'll catch you guys on the way. To Cannes to be away for the day, babe and I. There he is. He's actually looking on his phone for a restaurant for us to eat because you guys know how picky I can be. So we've been looking at all the restaurants on these streets and I don't see any that I go like, ooh, what the with their menus. So we're trying to find something, but there's lots of options to choose from. So at the end of the day, we're gonna find something and we're gonna spend the day here in Cannes and just have a good time. So this is where we are right now.
200 meters walk, which is close in 1 hour.
It closed in 1 hour?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. I don't wanna rush to eat.
So shoot.
Ooh, look at that. It looks pretty, no? Is that shrimp I'm seeing? This one here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know buffer for you.
Okay, so it's shrimp and this one is fish.
Yes, fish.
And this one is chicken.
Yes, chicken.
Okay, and this one is sausage.
This is shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
Okay.
Lamb.
Okay. Lamb.
Yes, lamb.
Lamb.
Okay.
Anyo.
Yeah, and
Okay.
this one lamb also.
Okay. I thought you asked for bread, no?
Yeah, that's coming with rice.
Okay, cool. And the spicy sauce, and that's mint sauce and tomato sauce. It looks pretty.
This is
Tell them where we are.
Indian restaurant.
Yes, we're at the Indian restaurant, but we're at late lunch, so near is empty. It's just us. We don't mind. Ready to eat?
Yes.
More food came. I think this is called naan. Lunch is done and we are at a lookout point just chilling. I'm enjoying the day. Let me show you guys what our view is looking like right now. People up here just chilling. So that's our view. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. We live in our best anniversary life. No? I live in our best life. And we're full. We're just chilling, okay? Until we're ready to go back home. So we can reach home in time to pick up our nugget from school. We can't tell him where we go today. Don't tell. Don't tell, okay? Don't tell. So I'm just coming on to end this vlog because babe and I got home and we had such a good time out, just the two of us on our anniversary without Tyler. We got home and we were so tired, spent time with Tyler and we went to bed. So of course we didn't get to end the vlog and tell you guys some more about her day, but that's okay. You guys can see that we had fun and 5 years felt like yesterday. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoy this vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and make sure that your notification is on. We love you guys, and thank you guys in advance for all the love that you guys will be sending us down below in the comment section. We love you guys, and of course you guys won't get any expression at the end of this vlog. Sorry about that, but you guys will be getting your expression tomorrow. So see you guys in the next vlog.